gang. Want to give you a little bit of review today on the 72-ounce Ninja blender. This is their professional 1000-watt countertop edition. This is a blender that we have now had for many, many years and absolutely love. Some of the things that we like about it. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you one thing that you need to just be aware of and watch out for. First and foremost, ease of use. It doesn't have 10 or 12 different settings. It's got 3 settings: low, medium, and high, and a pulse. It's all you really need in a blender. Low, medium, high, watch what you're doing. The second thing we like is this is 1000 watts, and so we've had no issue with it blending anything. And because of the design of this with the blade, it's got this spiral cut blade in it. It's able to cut so much and to chop and to smooth and to blend so many things with ease, not struggling like your traditional blenders do. It does have a locking system to it, so once that's attached, it's not falling off, it's not going anywhere, you're not accidentally knocking it off. Now, all of those things are great. We absolutely love them. But one thing that you need to watch out for is if a piece of this breaks, it's really expensive to replace. We actually had the top break off of our original one, and the top itself was just expensive to replace as it was to get this whole thing. And so just be aware that while it's pretty durable, if something does break, you're just probably going to be in the market for having to get a whole new blender. Other than that, we love this thing. 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommend.